Yeah, man, along the side we have found here.
Right, man, Miguel.
Yes, sir, ready.
Let's have about 6 o'clock.
That's the peak. Right in the middle. Hello, my name is Kino from Jamaica Good Life.
My name is Ingrid.
Ingrid, and you're the daughter as well too?
No.
No?
I am one of his niece.
She's not a daughter?
Niece.
Niece, okay, you're a niece. Oh, still a family same here to carry it on. Yeah. Yeah. She's speedy. So how long have you been doing this, niecey?
Years.
Years. Cause the way you move, we can see it. Yes. So you have your kids that eat as well too? They not like this feel? Oh gosh. So come like you have to go take out your belt and start whip then.
No, one of them is nurse.
No one can do it. Oh, one is nurse?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
One work at bank.
Okay.
You can't afford to do this, cause
Yeah.
you have to have heart to do this.
Yeah, yeah.
She not and she not get much benefit, much less.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
don't want to have children to do it. Mad?
I'm sure.
How you know they are trying to put it to the next level?
The things can
So
happen.
even when they say we have to sacrifice, we have to sacrifice certain things.
Yeah.
You see me with time just to put it in a effort for that the other generation will come after we.
Can come.
Yeah, man can carry on in our comfort in a major way whereby man knows say, oh, daddy and mommy create this.
Yeah.
So,
yeah. So hopefully.
we start roast coffee. When them come in, coffee wine. You see me? Coffee syrup.
Yeah.
Then levels they want make sure they say the thing reach.
Alright then.
So the world, you understand what I mean?
Yeah. So you have the goals already set out.
Yo.
You definitely have the goals set out.
Yeah, man.
So and this is one of the son them as well.
Grand.
It's a grand. See it there? The generation start already. Big up yourself. What's your name? Introduce yourself to the program.
Malcolm and Romain Anderson.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
So you see, it's one of the grand. How old are you now?
I'm 26.
Yeah, and don't give up, yeah?
No, man.
Because I want the future of this. And trust me, a wealth.
Our thing, man.
It a got benefit, it a got reach far.
The goal is this.
Yeah. I remember the struggle never over quick, you know. Because them say the race is not for the swift, you know. And you not do it for a race. Not do it for the endurance. So it will definitely happen, Miguel. Because we attack and I go around Miguel still do him handwork, see him here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Still have to do
We
it.
want to ensure so we get as much as possible off of the tree as quick as possible.
Alright, true.
I don't know what tomorrow brings, you know.
Yeah.
Because right now I see them now. Yeah, they can't take much weather in terms of rain. Because if you notice, they're easy to pick.
Yeah. Quick.
Yeah. So you know, say, right
Quick.
now, so if you get much rain, them are go
Spoil.
stem them are go, you know?
Yeah. So now forget them out, so boy, a whole per weeks of work is left.
Yeah,
Months.
No, man. Yeah, in terms of months, but not one time, you know?
Yeah.
Pick this week, all of the ripe on them, and then allow the other rest of them to get the remaining green one them to ripe. Just set them, man.
Yeah, a good life.
A good life, something, man.
Yeah, man, a good life, man. Sorry.
So all who never know, say, yo, I saw the thing said,
I saw it said.
I saw Miguel doing thing.
Yeah, same do it.
Yeah, man, I saw Miguel doing thing.
Yes, Miguel, because me myself never know how you do it.
Yeah, so I'm not hide from the world no more.
Yeah.
And Miguel list.
And Miguel list.
This is our thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, hide.
Yeah, cause
So now when you say yeah.
yeah, cause
I say him do
we
it.
conquer the world, you know.
See it there.
So we find we have to conquer it, we can't hide from it.
See there. How can I afford you pick?
No.
And you walk through the big field.
Well, yeah, go on, make him go on with that
Chingo,
track.
yeah, that's right.
He's not really
Yeah.
levels there yet.
Yeah, he's getting there.
Yeah, he ain't more like in the street.
It's like when you pick how much that 5, pick 10 this time.
10.
Yeah. And then move up to 20, you know.
Yeah.
Till you can walk with the bucket around your waist.
Yeah.
And your bag. Yeah, you have to take baby step. We definitely get there.
Yeah, Kino. As you can see, a beautiful thing, man. Wonderful thing, brother.
It is, man, it is.
You see me? I just keep make it look like it's a wonderful thing. I just the man, what you call them now. The strong man them over with. Make it look like say you're on a beautiful thing. You see me? A wonderful thing for it.
Because my first experience, I tell you, it's a wonderful thing.
Brother, up as our goal.
It is.
Notice all of the man that will come buy coffee. Check them. Gold shirt and gold shoes them are wear. You see me? Because them find gold.
Yeah.
So them whole life now start to come make out a gold.
Yeah.
You get what I mean? And we now make them feel like make we feel like say you're on a goal.
Yeah. Because when them carry it away, you know, them a triple and flip it and
That's what I'm telling man.
You see me? Them a more than triple and flip it.
Mountain forest now. Mountain forest now.
Official.
Yeah. You see me?
Official
we come
now.
to take it on another level now.
Yeah.
So we know it.
As a new generation,
Yeah,
now,
man, we know it, man.
level.
So we have put everything in it, man, to make it happen, brother.
Right now.
Yeah, man.
And
So, man,
it a happen.
then for you to get this taste,
Yeah.
world,
And
if you haven't experienced the taste of mountain forest estate coffee, you need to. It's a difference. It's a surety.
Yeah.
Every sip make you know where you're getting, where it's coming from.
It's natural.
Natural. Straight
No
from,
chemical, nothing.
from this place. You understand?
Pure itself.
Yeah, so when you go up on the shelf, look for this. If it's not there on the contact with.
Contact.
So whenever the world ready, man. You see me? Whenever the world ready,
We're not already ready.
we ready.
Because we're not already ready. We've
Yeah.
been ready.
Yeah, so
Years now, your daddy been ready.
yeah.
So
You
at
know?
the time now,
Yeah.
generation they have to move forward.
Yeah. So when I say and then what get said,
Ready you know.
go. So that's a mountain forest I go.
And good life there.
Yeah man, good
We give
life.
them the
Yeah,
strength.
man. Yeah man, good life.
Jamaica good life.
Respect Jamaica Good Life.
You don't know.
And
Right?
Jamaica Good Life the same way with the fun.
Yeah.
You see me?
Push it to another level right
Yeah
now.
man, a Jamaica Good Life man. A
Like
good
gone.
life straight. Yeah man.
Hope
All
for the
good
best.
life, you are them left copy man.
See it here.
Yeah man.
So I'm there in the field.
Yeah,
In the good life.
yeah man.
So you don't know we are hope for the best.
Yeah.
So you don't know. They might keep the faith seeing me and them have hope. And I see them to me to me have the same faith and hope for them. And it definitely happen.
Yeah man.
It definitely happen because the generation them a carry it on and them young. You see me? So them have a whole heap of time in it.
Yeah man.
And for them generation and grand generation.
Yeah,
So
man. Trademark something.
yeah, so mountain forest will definitely you will see it on your shelf.
Yeah.
If you don't see it in your time, your kids will see it in for them time.
Yes.
You know the good life.
Yeah.
We're there here, so just keep it.
Good life, viewers. Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
Good life, pick it up. Respect good life.
Every
Yeah
time.
man. Blessing up on good life. Straight.
See it there.
Yeah man.
I want to pack my bag now, you know.
Yeah man, cane
Need
there.
my
everything
key
there,
and
start
everything
there,
now. Everything there, so I'm gonna load it. Spring water, oh gosh. So now I have mountain forest water too.
Yes.
Alright.
Mountain miss it name.
Alright, mountain mist.
But it a drop yet.
In a drop yet.
Eh.
So I say look out for it.
Yeah man.
Pure. Miguel. Yes, Tashian.
Yeah, man.
Once more.
Yes, I.
It was a good more.
Yeah, man. We are closing now, no?
Yeah. Papi. Big up yourself.
And big up yourself too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Take care, you hear?
Always, man.
Yeah, man.
You're going to see me more often up here.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
Yes, my brother. Respect every time.
Yeah, man. Because I come spend a weekend up here.
Yeah, man.
Want to see the sunset and the sunrise.
Sunrise, yeah.
And all the stars and all the smiles. Definitely. Good life.
If you come a mountain forest farm, you can't get one cane and a good life.
And a good life.
Eh. So you can come and get her too.
You see me?
Really a good life.
Which is right.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Really a good life.
yeah.
Give thanks.
I get 2 banana and 2 flat and see you.
Oh, see you me in a good life. When everything pile up, none of them see it.
Yeah, man.
I wait till it pile up. Oh,
Blue skies.
blue skies. So, Tashian, and if you organize one time, we can come spend the weekend, because you know we want to see the stars and the moon,
Yeah, man.
the sunset and the sunrise.
Sunrise. That you want to see.
Alright.
That's heavenly.
Because the world wants to see it.
That's heavenly, brother.
First from the top.
You can see that. Remember me tell you, me myself live here, so I never know how heavenly it was
When you see it.
until me see it.
Jeez.
When me see that Kino, me I tell you, say, oh, me come to us still. Because me say, yo, I hear some live and something of this sort experience the righteous I never experienced before.
Never.
You want to know how that's Kino.
You can imagine.
You ever see a ship sailing far away until it take time to come up? It's like say, I can't explain.
Can't explain it.
No.
Yeah, words can't explain
I
it.
make a fool of myself if I try to explain.
Yeah. Words can't explain creation.
No.
So you know we have to go see, you want
Eyes
to come
blue
see
one,
it.
yeah.
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 The eyes and the memory now to the divine.
I saying, they say eyes never seen, our ears never behold.
Alright.
The beauty.
Of what was no, yeah.
Yeah.
So
that is
definitely.
that is Blue Mountain Peak itself.
I would definitely beg you to see that.
And whenever the world wants to experience, whenever the world come to Jamaica, I want to go to Blue Mountain Peak. Same.
Battery.
But you don't-
Yeah.
Yeah, man, along the side we have out here.
Right, Miguel.
Yes, sir, ready.
Let's have about 6
Mommy,
Take care,
You link
bro.
your man
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, man.
take care.
Yeah, man. Lebron. Yeah, you all over the place. I work too. Then I don't know I work for big and son. You know go good? You go good?
Sister, put this in a bag there, so. One day.
Yeah.
I see.
You go. You can make money then, man. Of course. All right, yeah.
MFP products, man, that's okay. That's like,
All right, then you have to go wait till the next time.
yeah, alright. See, you see that now?
Alright.
See peak there. See mountain nine view there?
Nah, me go.
And that's the peak.
Okay, that's the peak there. That's the peak. Right in the middle.
That's all I got.
Blue Mountain Peak in the middle. To be continue. No advice. No advice.
Hey, no, right. It's gone. Change that time, we take away your voice.
Trust.
That's right.
Helicopter landing.
Yeah, I see them boy.
Mexican.
Where did you come to last time? Right?
Yeah,
Let's see how was it. Why is up to the function?
which one?
That one. Right now.
Red top delay. Oh, okay.
feel warm.
Yeah. Just.
Down here, sir.
Just put on the sound park.
Fix it in place.
This is how I feel.
Moon and the sun.
Oh, yeah, Mo. Oh, yeah, say I'm coming.
See, man.
Let's say that.